everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to decorate again with balloons for another birthday. This is for my daughter Kay's birthday and her birthday is tomorrow. So I got another packet of a set of balloon decorations from Amazon, and yeah, I'm gonna set it up. So the theme that she picked out are donuts. So I have here, I don't know what these are for. Probably like for cupcakes or something, you know, you can stick them on it. But yeah, it comes with those. Let me see. These are probably stuff that you can put on a cupcake or something. I'm not quite sure. But yeah, it's got donuts, donut unicorn, another donut unicorn. They're pretty cute designs. I don't need this. I don't have any cupcakes or anything like that to use this for, so I'm gonna keep these for another time. So it comes with this kind of balloons, very colorful. We've got yellow, pink, dark pink, green, some with spots, some don't. We also have orange, peach color, light blue, so very colorful combination of balloons. And then we have foil balloons. This is so cute. This one says happy birthday. It's like an ice cream. It's like a cup of ice cream. So this one is like a yellow swirly lollipop. Another one. And another one. Oh. Bitten donut. And another one that says have a sweet day. Very nice. So what else do I have here? I have this happy birthday garland. Like that one there. And it comes with a ribbon to tie them up. So yeah, let's get started. Oh no, I burst one. I burst one. That is a cute one too. I hate myself. That's the donut. Oh. Oh. I'm going to continue now. We know that this one got popped.
Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. And if you like this one, give it a thumbs up and share.